Good day to you all. This is the Maths Online Tutor once more with the video on how to answer graph questions. Okay, so let's start off by looking at how to answer graph questions for the ordinary level Cambridge International Examinations. You can also use the same method when approaching SA South Africa metric questions. Same modus operandi, even if you are approaching Zimbabwe exams, that's SIMSEC, and all other maths exams. Okay, so let's start by looking at this question. The table shows some values of x and the corresponding values of y for y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5. So you got the x values first and the y values, and you got a missing value that it says part 1, complete the table, and that's 1 mark. This was taken from 2018 paper 2 question 6. So how we approach this question to get the y value there, okay, we complete the table by finding the y value when x is equal to minus 1.5. That is, substitute the value of x is equal to minus 1.5 in the original equation that they gave you as below. Okay, so then your y value now becomes equal to 2, where there is x in the original equation, substitute minus 1.5, then it becomes minus 1.5 cubed minus 3, open brackets, minus 1.5 squared plus 5. Okay, you get your y value to be equal to minus 8.5, and that's 1 mark. Okay, the next part of the question, okay, part 2, saying using a scale of 4 centimeters to represent 1 unit, draw a horizontal x-axis for x is greater than minus 1.5 and less than or equal to 2, and on the y-axis for y is greater than or equal to minus 10 and less than or equal to 10, use a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 5 units. Okay, so it means from there to there on the y-axis, that should be 2 centimeters, and on the x-axis from there minus 1.5 to 2, minus 1.5, 4 centimeters on the x-axis to represent 1 unit, so it means 2 boxes represent 1 unit. Okay, so from there to there, that's 1 unit. Okay, so after using the table of values, corresponding values of x and y, when you plot the graph, it should look something like that. Okay, and that will be 3 marks. Okay, if you've got any questions on how to plot the graph, you can contact me, then I'll fill you in. Okay, the next part of the question says use the graph to estimate the gradient of the curve when x is equal to 1.5. And how you'd approach this question answer, guys, how you'd answer it, you say to calculate the gradient when x is equal to 1.5, we draw a tangent to the curve at 1.5 and then calculate the gradient of the tangent as shown in the next slide. Okay, so there you go, that's the tangent, and to calculate the gradient of the tangent, it's calculating the gradient of this straight line tangent. If you check out one of my previous videos on how to calculate the gradient of a straight line, it outlines to you how you calculate the gradient of the tangent, and you do that by picking any 2 points on the line, for example A and B. Okay, and in this case A has coordinates 0, minus 1.8, B has coordinates 2 and 7.3. Next, you use the gradient formula. M is equal to y1 over y2 divided by x1 minus x2. If you substitute those values, you get m is approximately equal to 4.55. That right there, guys, is another 2 marks in the bag. Okay, so make yourself see that we substituted this value into there, that value into there, that value into there, that value into there. So that's how you calculate the gradient of the point of the curve at the point x is equal to 1.5. Okay, and the tangent, description of how to draw the tangent is in my previous videos. Okay, then it says, by drawing a suitable line on your graph, find the solution of the equation 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, remember the graph that we already drew is the graph of 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5. Okay, we drew y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5. Okay, that's great. They want us to draw a suitable line on that graph to solve the equation 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 is equal to 0, and that's only 2 marks. Okay, the thought process, how you would approach this. Remember, we get graphical solutions or roots when two plots meet. So we need to structure our equation so that part of it resembles the equation of the graph that we drew earlier, and then part of it resembles the new line y is equal to k, where k is a constant. Okay, that's our initial equation, y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5, which can be written as y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 plus 1. Okay, make yourself see that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, rearranging to resemble the given equation, we get y minus 1, so take the 1 to the left hand side or subtract 1 from both sides, to be y minus 1 is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Right, this right there, guys, is the same as that equation. There is no difference. Okay, we then equate the above equations to 0 since they are both equal to the drawn graph of the equation. Okay, right, if we equate both sides of the equation to 0, right, that we've already drawn, we're left with y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, hence the line that we need to draw is y is equal to 1. That's if we make y the subject in y minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, if we do that, draw the line y is equal to 1, where it meets the curve is a solution, that is at x is equal to minus 0.9 as shown below. That right there, guys, will be 2 marks. Okay, if you add all those marks, that will be a whopping 8 marks obtained. Thanks for watching, and please like and share. But before you go, 1 or 2 more things. Knowing how to answer long questions can make the difference between a pass and a fail. For online lessons on how to answer and prepare for the ordinary level and advanced level mathematics final exam, you can hit me up on Skype. Those are my Skype details, kumbulani.mwababa, if you need to schedule lessons. Okay, my Skrill email is mwababa@gmail.com, and it's NQWABABA. Okay, NQWABABA. Okay, right, my rates are $20 per week per weekend. So guys, be empowered online. Okay, we live in trying times and we need to make the most of our online services. Okay, so you can pay via Skrill or Western Union, and you can let me know when you're paying via Western Union or via Skrill. Okay, also For those who wish to donate, you're welcome to donate. If you appreciate the free video tutorials that you're getting, okay, please donate to support this YouTube channel to continue to bring educational video broadcasts for children in the poorest communities without access to a teacher or study resources. You can also donate for students in remote areas with no access to teachers but have access to the internet, but have access to WhatsApp, because I can imagine some of you guys will be downloading this video and sharing it on WhatsApp, WeChat, or some social media platforms. Okay, so you can donate so that we can keep rolling out these videos and empowering girl child, empowering the boy child, and empowering the poor, empowering those in the projects, empowering the minority classes who basically can't afford good education. Okay, so donate to empower the students to learn science, technology, and mathematics. Okay, donate to empower STEM education. Right, my Skrill email once more is nwababa@gmail.com. That's NQWABABA@gmail.com. You can alert me of donations on here's my Skype ID, kumlani.nwababa. Okay, so please donate so that this channel can keep running. Internet costs in Africa, Zimbabwe, are prohibitive, and they cost hundreds of dollars per month for streaming and online lessons. Okay, you know that in Africa internet costs are very prohibitive. Internet penetration is very low, so where we do get internet, we try and make the best of it. We pay lots of money so that we can send out and keep rolling out these videos, so that as many people having challenges learning can access this information free of charge. Okay, right, so thanks for watching once more, and please share the video and don't stop learning, guys.